Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, here today, I've got a new to the channel Audi A3 2-litre turbo diesel, folks, and it's in really rough condition. I actually bought this for something called Shitbox Rally in Australia. That's where you go on a rally with a group of people. You have to buy a car that's really cheap. So I paid $1,000 cash for this vehicle. It's really rough. I'll put up some photos. It's basically got a dent in every single panel. So just looking under the vehicle, got the engine tray off. You can see it's got plenty of oil leaks that need repairing here. When we bought the car, we saw it advertised on Marketplace. It was bring your own jump starter because the battery was dead. It was bring your own air compressor because the front right tyre was flat. The guy actually said to us, come look at this in the dark, because he didn't want me to see how bad it was. So I should have got some footage, but because that would have been really funny. But we were literally shining our torches, finding all the dents on the car, the dent on the front bumper, every mark on the car. I've fixed it already, but the bonnet wouldn't even stay up. And I actually looked at the guy and said, this is perfect for what I want. It hadn't moved for 3 or 4 months, so all of the rotors were rusty. In fact, when we eventually got it running, the rear brakes were actually seized on. So it's completely rough. The transmission was shifting really badly. So I was like, whoa, is this thing even gonna make a rally? But anyway, what we're gonna do to this vehicle, we're actually gonna do a bit of maintenance on the vehicle and bring it up to speed. So I've already done a basic engine oil and filter change, but we are going to do a transmission service on this vehicle. As I said, when we first did the test drive the very night that I got it started and pumped the flat wheel up and everything, the transmission was really sketchy and I was a little bit worried because of the 6-speed DSG. However, a couple of days of driving it afterwards, it has come good. So we're going to do a transmission service on it. As you can see, I've got the car up on jack stands right now. So we'll show you how to put your Audi A3 safely up on jack stands. Everything that you see on this vehicle, we're going to do in the home garage. So we're not going to use a hoist, we're going to use jack stands and jacks so that you can follow along. You too can learn how you can maintain your 2-litre diesel Audi A3 or Volkswagen Golf, because they really are very similar. You know, the rear brakes are completely shot. They're pretty much down to metal on metal, so you're going to have to do a rear brake job on this vehicle, so that's going to be filmed. Funnily enough, it does have a pretty good service history, but when I checked the air filter is brand new, but the last mob who put an air filter element in, I do know who has been doing the servicing on this vehicle. So I'm not going to name them, not going to call them out, but they've stripped out all of the screws on the air box. So pretty pointless having a brand new air filter if you've stripped out the screws to the air box. So we're going to have to get that out, get a new air box, because as I said, the intent is to do something like a shitbox rally in this vehicle. We are going to be doing, you know, dirt roads. Whilst this engine does have over 200,000 kilometres on it, it does appear to be a good little runner, and I don't want to dust the engine just because we've got a dodgy airbox. So there's a range of maintenance we are going to do. Also, we know we've got a warning light for low windscreen washer blinker fluid, some people call it. Now, just to replace that bottle, you've got to take the whole front bumper off, so we'll do that on the channel as well. And of course, there's the obligatory check engine light on the dashboard, so we'll diagnose that, get to the bottom of that, and we'll solve that issue. Basically, we've got to turn this vehicle into a reliable vehicle. So that's the new to the channel Audi A3 2-litre turbo diesel. I am intending to get this into a condition where we can do that shitbox rally. I am going to, folks, I don't normally call it out very much, but I do have some membership levels. I'm probably going to create a new membership level on the channel called Shitbox Rally. So if you're interested in giving me some support, do click that link to join up as a Shitbox member to the channel. And if you're interested in learning about, you know, your Volkswagen Audi 2-litre diesel, you might have a Volkswagen Golf GTD, which is a very similar platform. If you're interested in learning about servicing and maintaining and repairing that, this one's quite high kilometre, a couple 100,000 kilometres. Do subscribe to the channel, but you know, give us a like, give us a share, all those good things. Also on the channel, if you come across this video, we have a number of other vehicles. We've got a Mercedes ML class with 70 or 80 videos on that, servicing, fixing that one up. We've got a Mazda 3, little BMW Z4, early Ford Falcons. There really is something for everyone on the channel. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. But until next time, have a good evening.